Let's give an easy cheesy upgrade to our favorite merienda treats with different flavors that will suit any mood and craving. Let's start cooking! So today, gagawa tayo ng dalawang klaseng merienda, both very delicious, both very cheesy, and both very Instagrammable. So I have 2 cups of flour that I have already sifted. I have my 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of sugar, and salt. Dapat may salt. Yan. So, and now, let's combine evenly. So, sobrang sarap nito because it is a sandwich made with pancakes with very nice cheesy fillings. Ano bang filling mo? Yan. So, we have here 2 eggs. Let's beat our eggs. Yan. No? Beat our eggs properly, that the egg whites and egg yolks are well combined, no? And 1 cup of milk. You can also use water, vegetable oil, and vanilla. So you want our pancakes to be light and fluffy and very cheesy in the center. So I will just combine my wet and dry ingredients, blend together into a smooth batter. Yeah, so you want our batter to be smooth and properly blended together. Yan. Don't overmix your batter para hindi siya maging matigas. And let's prepare our mini Japanese cheesy pancakes. Yan. Dapat partner-partner siya. Very important because one over the other. And it's time to prepare our very delicious cheesy and bacon. May ganun bang baconing na word? So we are using Danes cheese with real bacon bits. And surely your kids will love this kasi alam mo yung matamis-tamis, maalat-alat. And ito pa, smoky because of the bacon bits. Yan. Yan muna. Yan. Happy? I'm happy. Are you happy? Yan. Ready. So you can make all these mini pancakes na iba't ibang flavor kasi aside from our cheese with real bacon bits, may chili sa mga adults, di ba? May sweet and creamy cheese, meron ding herb and garlic. Di ba so perfect? And what we do now, we make our sandwich by putting one over the other. Sandwich eh. Di ba? Naka-sandwich. So pretty. Yan, no? Ang problema mo, pag kumakain ka ng ganito, because they're tiny and delicious, parang you will indulge kasi hindi mo alam kung ilan na yung nakain mo. Ang cute niyan tignan. Isn't that pretty? O, di ba? Very Instagrammable. And now we're making our second recipe. We are making a cheesy empanada, of course, using a different flavor, Danes Sweet and Creamy cheese. Yan. So, sobrang easy ng ating recipe. Ito siya. Yan. Our tuna, the brine or the oil is drained out. And we will just add chopped onions. So, open this and let's grate everything. Sobrang simple. Pero sobrang sarap nito, no? Just the flavors of our tuna and our cheese combined. It's perfect. Blend properly with our tuna. And we are ready to go. Diba? Now, ating tinapay. Wala kang rolling pin, gumamit ka ng bote. And we will just flatten. So, isa flatten, ganyan, no? Ito na yung magiging crust ng ating empanada. And we have our filling. Yan. Konting egg wash. Ito yung pang-seal natin sa ating edges. And you can do this with your kids, no? Activity nila. Yan. Fold, press down, and you can trim. So, pwedeng gusto mong triangular. Ito, para maging empanada, ititrim ko lang siya na circular ng konti. Oh, di ba? And later on, we will use a fork to press it down para hindi siya bumuka while frying. Empanadang empanada. Pero may pasabog pa tayo dito for extra cheesiness. Fry na tayo. Yan. And fry until it's golden and crisp. Kakaiba ng ating gagawin na cheesy tuna empanada. And I'm sure your kids will love it. Patok to, for sure. Achieve that nice golden color evenly. Ito, achieve na, oh. Important to let the excess oil drip off. Beautiful. But we are not yet done. So, the excess oil has dripped off. Very important, you serve this warm para sobrang sarap. Ito siya. Di ba mahilig tayo sa mga cheese roll or whatever. So, we are going to brush our empanadas with honey or corn syrup to highlight the sweetness of our Danes Sweet and Creamy cheese. Baliktad tayo mag-grate. Papakita ko sa iyo. Ayan o. Baliktad tayo mag-grate. Look at that. And put it on top. Oh, wow. And it's time to taste our creation. So I'm having my Japanese pancake sandwiches. And let's bite into it. Grabe. You taste the bacon bits, may texture pa, may creaminess, and of course, the smokiness of our bacon. Ito naman, titikman natin yung ating second recipe, ang ating cheesy tuna empanadas. Of course, with a twist and an upgrade of cheese on top. I will bite into it. Panalo. Mas nagustuhan ko yung Danes cheese kasi napakaraming flavors na pwedeng pagpilian. Kaya I hope you enjoy our duet of recipes today, our Danes cheese pancake sandwiches, and our Danes tuna empanada. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!